let me go here. I didn't mean to like, it almost looked like I was filming her. Now someone is like on the ground, but we're sitting now and there's like people helping. So that's what matters. No, she seems okay. She seems okay. So what was I saying? So, yeah, I might work as an extra on a film. The pay is higher, but like it's that 20 euros difference, you know, not that much. Yeah, I didn't do that on purpose. Casting agents. Yeah, but like this is actually, okay, this is my first time ever doing something like this where like I just saw an announcement for the casting as an extra. I was like, let me give it a shot. What's the worst that can happen, right? And I initially got casted and then they just never called me. But who knows? Oh, yeah, what was I trying to say? I'm not sure if I can say what the project was, the first one, but it was like a reality TV type of situation. Imagine, like, okay, it's not that, but like imagine MasterChef and you have to be somewhere in the background as an extra. So it wasn't a movie. But now we're talking about another movie and I have the title already. Not the title, but like the project name. Hi Viking, hi everyone. Wait, so yeah, that's the update. A bit bittersweet, but let's see. Extras are odd. Best case scenario, you are sitting in the background. Worst case, you just walk by the camera for a second. Yeah, that's what, like, I don't want to do it as a full-time thing or whatever, but I'm just like curious to do it once to have the experience, if that makes sense. And like the pay is low. It's like 10. They said that like for this movie it would be like 10 hours with a net pay of, what was it, like 85 or 90 euros for like 10 hours of work plus 1 hour of a break. Like, wow, that's really not much if you think about it, but I want to do it as an experience. Hi Apollo, hi everyone, hi Kites. I did some extra work a few times, lots of waiting but fun. Yeah, I want to do it just because like I think that it's gonna be fun. That's literally the only reason. By the way, you guys, for the XP, exactly. Where's your dog? With my mom. Hello from the state of Ohio. Hello from California. Hello, you guys. Welcome in, everyone. I just realized that we found something related to the Olympics. You can network to, yeah. Official Olympic pin trading center. But I don't have any Olympic pins, so I guess that I can do shit. However, I see that there's like... Are they selling second-hand pins outside? I think that they are. Or they're just like trading. Because here is like also... Okay, here they're the kind of... The line to go inside isn't massive. You saw a doggo? Yeah, there are many doggos. Wait, I'm not sure if these people are lining up. No, they are there. So I guess that the line starts here. I hope. Let's get a fake metal. Wait, no, I want to try to go inside because here it says discover the exclusive Looney Tunes pins. Let's see if we can go inside. If I were an extra, I want to be killed on camera or blown up. No, okay. I don't think that anything like that would happen in the movie where I might be an extra because I can just tell you the general topic, which is a little funny for me. It's something that has to do with religion. So like you might see me in the background as a nun or something, as far as I know. But like I don't know, like it's not even guaranteed. But like the person just said, I'm going to like if it's okay for you, I will like candidate you. Is that how I would say that? Like I would put your name up as an extra, but like it's not confirmed. Amen. A little in and on, but I don't know if it would be that or not. You don't remember that part in the Bible where those nuns get blown up? Ah, quanto costano, Andrea? Okay, Andrea is looking up information about the place. The line is pretty short, actually. It says that every day there's a pin of the day, limited edition, and you can buy it here. I want to see how much that is. If it's like less than 20, I feel like it might be a nice souvenir, so we can also just like check one of the quests.
Delle pin vecchissime, tipo Torino 2006.
Ah, there are people here that have pins, like very ancient pins.
Incredibile.
Forse 15? Ci sta, dai. Dici che la connessione regge dentro?
Sì, ma non
Hai capito dove sono più o meno? I think that the connection will be okay, but... Ciao da Vercelli, ciao! Can you tell us if this is a big film or indie? No, it would be a Mediaset production, which is like big in Italy. Like in Italy, you pretty much have Rai and Mediaset, so it's big, but it would be for TV, not